Hey, what's up guys, this is John from backontheroaddiy. Confused on how to read a tape measure or what's 1/8, 3/8, 1/16, all those numbers. I'm gonna show you how to read that and how this is very simple. Okay guys, we're gonna make this very simple. This is gonna be 0 and this right here is gonna be 1 inch. That's what this reads. So I'm gonna show you 1 inch. You're gonna have the first right here, which is going to be a 1/2 inch. So we have 1/2 inch, 1 inch, because an inch is divided in 2. That's why 1/2 inch. Now a 1/4 inch is a half of it. So in 1 inch we have 4 1/4 inches. So this is 1/4. This will be 2 quarters, but we read half. This will be 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch. So you guys are getting it. The 2, that means an inch is divided in 2. A 4, that means the inch is divided in 4. So then what do you think goes after? Right here, right here, right here, and right here. So this, if you guess right, half of a 1/4 inch will be 1/8 of an inch. So now you have 1/8 of an inch, 2/8 of an inch, which 2/8 of an inch will be a 1/4. But if you read it, it's 1/8 of an inch, 2/8 of an inch. Now it's 3/8 of an inch, 4/8 of an inch, 5/8 of an inch, 6/8 of an inch. Now 7/8 of an inch, and 8/8 of an inch will be the whole inch. Just like 4/4 is the inch, 8/8 of an inches is the full inch. Now if you go even further, half of it, half of all these measurements, it's gonna be, if you guess right, 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16. You know, you get the point. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And if you wanna go even further, this is 1 30 seconds, 2 30 seconds, 3 30 seconds, 3 30 seconds, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get the point. And if you want even more, well, you could go 1/64. But that means you dividing the inch in 64 pieces. So now you know. If somebody tells you they're missing like a 1/16 of an inch, is something very tiny. An 1/8 of an inch is just a half of a 1/4 of an inch. So that's a lot. That's very small. So hope this was helpful. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave any comments if you have any questions. And if this was helpful, please make sure you subscribe, like, leave any comments if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.